Hello everyone, my name is Zia Shulka and this is session 6 of TANA summer camps with Sapthora. I welcome you all to this session and this will be the final session of our summer camps and I hope you enjoyed all the lessons that have been taught to you. If you want to learn more, then be sure to enroll into Sapthora and see me face to face with the classes and I'll be teaching you with all my skills, all my abilities, and you will turn into a fantastic guitarist. Okay, starting with the revision of what we had learned in the sixth session of Tata. So firstly, we had learned the A minor pentatonic scale. How do we play? Very simple. We take our index finger, place it on the fifth fret of the sixth string, and then we play that note. Next, we play the 8th fret on the 6th string with our pinky finger. So we have 5, 8. Next, we will play 5, 7 on the 5th string with our index and ring fingers. 5, 7. The same on the 4th string with the same fingers. 5, 7. Same on the 3rd string with the same fingers. 5, 7. Now to change, we play 5, 8 again on the 2nd string where we use our index and pinky finger. 5, 8. And the same pattern on the 1st string as we played on the 2nd string. So 5, 8 on the 1st string using index and pinky finger. Let's go back, descending. So we have 8, 5 on the 1st string, 8, 5 on the 2nd string, 7, 5 on the 3rd string, 7, 5 on the 4th string, 7, 5 on the 5th string, 7, 5, 8, 5 on the 6th string. So the scale is very simple. If we look at it ascending and descending, it goes like this. Now, my friends, I'd like to explain something. What is the art of improvisation and interpretation? The art of improvisation and interpretation is to place a scale like this in your own style, in your own rendition, in your own rhythmic pattern, in your own rhythmic way. So let us explore how we can play these scales. So firstly, the A minor pentatonic, a very simple pattern can be played like this. So this is an ascending pattern and let's look at it with a bit more of closeness and we'll understand how to play this pattern. So we go 5, 8 on the 6th string and then 2 5s on the 5th string instead of 1. Then we descend back to 8, 5 on the 6th string. Then we play the 7th fret of the 5th string twice. Then we repeat the same pattern with the 5th and the 4th string with 7, 5, then 5, 5 on the 4th string, then 7, 5 on the 5th string, and twice we will play 7 on the 4th string. Then we will play the same pattern onwards on the 3rd and the 2nd string. Going onwards. So this is one interesting pattern in improvisation, and what you can do is you can possibly come up with ideas which are entirely your own, but they should be rhythmic and something melodic. So you can do things like slides and vibratos. What is a slide? A slide is when we take a note, play it, and push it forward. For example, I'm sliding from the 8th to the 10th fret on the 2nd string. So you can always include this in the scale. So it's going to sound something like this. see I did a bend. So I played so many notes without memorizing exactly what I was playing, but it all sounded like music, right? So that is what is called improvisation and interpretation. With this, we come to an end with our summer camps, and it has been a great pleasure for me to teach all of you, and all of you were very great. I'm very happy with the results that you all have achieved, and I hope to see you all as my regular students in Sapthora. Thank you very much.